this is Y-Lock, second grade, lesson 6, and we're starting with subtraction strategies, vocabulary. Match each word to its correct definition. So let's try reading all the definitions over here. We have a mental math strategy used when the number to be subtracted is 1, 2, or 3. The next one is answer in a subtraction problem. Then we have uses two add-ins and their sum to form basic facts. And the last one is to find out how many are left when a number of items are taken away from a group. So when we look at our first word, which is subtract is subtract a mental math strategy used when the number to be subtracted is 1, 2, or 3. Nope. And is it an answer in a subtraction problem? No. Uses two add-ins and their sum to form basic facts. That does not match subtract. So the answer would be the last one. Subtract or subtraction is used to find out how many are left when a number of items are taken away from a group, right? The keyword is taken away from a group. Okay, and to see how many are left. Now, we're going to try the third word, count back. And count back matches the first definition, which is a mental math strategy used when the number to be subtracted is 1, 2, or 3. So let's just say that we have 5 minus 2. So it's gonna go like 1. The number line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And since we're gonna subtract 2, so we start from 5 and we count back 2. So we're gonna go 1, 2, and the answer would be 3. So that's how we used count back, a mental math strategy. Now, next we have subtract all or 0, and we're going to try number 1. So we have 5 minus 5 for number 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 0, right? So by doing this, we're going to know that when the same number is subtracted, we're going to have 0. Now, next, we have 10 minus 0 for number 2. And when we do 10 minus 0, 10 minus 0. What's 0 minus 0? It's 0. And what's 1 minus nothing? Because here's nothing over here. That is going to be 1, right? We just bring down the number. So we just bring down 1 over here, which would make it 10. So we put 10. And now we can see that any number minus 0 would be the same number. The answer would be the same number. So 10 minus 0 would be 10. Let's say we have 20 minus 0, then that would be 20. Now, the next one, we're going to try number 16. We have 12 minus 0. We have 12 minus 0 over here. And again, 12 minus 0. What's 2 minus 0? It's 2. And this one comes down. So that'll make it 12. So we don't have to do this. We can just know that anything minus 0 is the same number, right? Now we're going to move on to the next page. We have count back. Circle the greater number on the number line. Then draw arrows to count back. Find the difference. So we have number 1, 6 minus 3. So we're going to have to start with 6. 6 is over here. And we count back 3. So from here, we go 1, 2, 3. And where did he end up? We ended up at, this is an arrow, we ended up at 3. So the answer is 3. Now, let's try number 3. Number 3, we have 8 minus 2. So we start with 8. 8 is over here. And we subtract 2. We count back 2. So we do 1, 2. And we ended up at 6. So the answer is 6. Now let's try one more. We're going to do number 5. 7 minus 6. So we start with 7. We start with 7 and we go back 6. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That would help us end up with 1. So the answer would be 1. Now, next page, we have word problems, as always. And number 1, Lily saw 9 ducks. Then 7 ducks ran away. How many ducks are left? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ducks. And 7 ducks ran away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, how many do we have left? 2 ducks. So 9 minus 7 equals 2 ducks. Another way that we can do this is using the number line like this one. Or we can just do it this way, like how I did it. And now number 2, George baked 12 brownies. His brother ate 5 of them. How many brownies are left? So we have 12 minus 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to count how many we have left. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer would be 7 brownies. Thank you.